How to download and install Canva on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install Canva on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. So first thing what you want to do is just open up your Microsoft Store, since Canva is free on Microsoft Store for both Windows 10 and 11. So simply search or open up Microsoft Store and just search in for Canva application at the search bar. From the search bar, just like this. And once you search in for Canva, as you can see, it's available for free on the first option, so simply select it and now simply click on this install button to successfully download and install the Canva application. And in the meantime, you can also check out its system requirements, features as well from over here to match the system requirements of your settings or devices as well. So based on your internet connection, it will automatically download and install in the meantime. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.